Here we are for another Tableau video, and this is really just an update on the pricing. So I got an interesting question yesterday from one of the students because I'm doing a 50% off promotion at the moment for the website, which is I'm interested in your courses. I wanted to confirm the pricing on your YouTube video. It says 50% off, and then it drops down to 998, which is right. And then the question is, does it continue being 998, or let's just say $10, right? Does it continue being $10 every month? So I thought that's what it did. Because this is the first time I've done any pricing on the website on Thinkific itself. So it turns out the way I set it up, which is 50% off, only applies to the first month, which is not what I wanted. So I looked at a few options to do it, which is if I make it $10 off fixed, and that's according to the Thinkific documentation, it will apply $10 on every single month. That's what it says in the documentation. And I tested this. Now, the problem is this. When I tested it and I put it in, this part would still say 19.95 USD and then a coupon of $10. When I thought that would update, now I don't want to like cheat anyone or anything. So if this isn't updating, it makes me a bit worried. So I thought of a different solution, which is this one. So because the course only has one price, just to make it simple, um, if I edit, so let's say you sign up, let's say I price it down to $10 and then you subscribe for that amount. If you read here, students who purchase before your price change will not be affected. So what I'm going to do is for the promotion, I'm going to drop the price permanently to $10 for the promotional period. And then at the end of that, it will go back up to the regular price, right? Anyone who bought it at the standard price should not be affected, right? Unless you cancel and resubscribe, which don't do that. Otherwise, you have to pay the full amount again. So that's what I'm going to do instead, right? Because this is what they were saying. So apply it and it applies every month, but it just wasn't updating the page. And I don't want anyone to get, jibbed. So here we are on the back end of the website itself. So I'm actually going to change this now so you guys can see it. And we're going to change this to, I'll just make it $9.95. Right? Free trial period, whatever, paid every month, and save. All right. So that is now the new pricing. And as soon as when I change it at the end of the month, it goes back to 20, but you will continue to pay $9.95. So if I go now to the website in incognito mode, let's see if it updates. I go purchase the bundle. There you have it. Okay. So that is now what you will see. Where's my drawing tool? You will see this now, and you don't even have to use a coupon at all, right? So I'm going to get rid of the coupon, right? I'm going to get rid of the other one, and you can just sign up just like normal, but this is a promotional price just for the next X number of days or weeks. So get in fast. Links are in the description below.